Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use on-screen magnifier on your HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. To enable it, you can use a shortcut which consists of two keys, Windows and plus. Press these two buttons at the same time, and this will instantly enable zoom or magnifier on your laptop. Now, if you navigate to this toolbar, you'll be able to use it to increase or decrease the magnifier intensity using minus and plus icons. You can also reset the previous magnification of your magnifier using the next two icons right here. You can start reading from your screen, clicking the display icon. And if you want to start reading from a particular place on your screen, click right here and then click on the spot from which you want to start reading. Search. Now, if you access settings here, you'll be able to change the speed of your magnifier by moving this slider to the right to make it faster or to the left to make it slower. And you also have here you can also change the voice of the reader, which reads from your screen, by expanding this list and selecting a different voice, and then testing it by making it read something from the screen. Here you can also access more settings, but if you want to know how to access the on-screen magnifier straight from your desktop, then you have to go to Start Bar, open Settings, and in Settings go to Accessibility. In Accessibility, you'll immediately find the magnifier right here in the middle. Now, here we also can enable magnifier by switching the toggle to the right. It will open the most recent version of the magnifier that we used. And yeah, we have three different versions of the magnifier, which are available in the View section. But before we go here, I also want to let you know that you can change the zoom level in here, as well as the zoom increment. And now in the views, we have three different views. The first one is full screen, which we just used. The docked magnifier, which looks like this. So we get the dock at the top of the screen, which can be adjusted if you drag the bottom side of it. And we can also move it along the screen. And we also have the lens option, which is the last one, and which looks pretty much like this. And if we increase the magnifier intensity, it will magnify only the area which we are hovering over. And now we can also change some settings for each of these magnifiers. Let's start with docked magnifier. To change its settings, you have to go straight to the View menu, and as you can see, the docked magnifier only has following options. So we can make it follow, or rather unfollow, our mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor, or narrator cursor by unchecking one of these checkboxes. For the full screen magnifier, we can actually change them here. I didn't notice it. For the full screen magnifier, we also have the following options, following settings, and we can also choose where we want to keep our mouse pointer and the text cursor. And we have two options for each of them, either centered on the screen or within the edges on the screen. To show you what it looks like, let's enable the full screen magnifier. Let's go to the View section. Now, if we keep the mouse pointer within the edges of the screen, mouse pointer or the narrator cursor, it will look somewhat like this. So we'll have to move it along to change the magnified area. Now, if we keep it centered on the screen, then it will look somewhat like this. So it's always somewhere in the middle. Okay, so I hope that you get it. Now for lens magnifier, we actually only have settings of changing the lens size. So we can change its height or its length, to adjust it to our needs. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.